Well, you might have heard about the companies becoming unicorns or how their owners became millionaires, multi-billionaires, wealthier over time, right? Well, it all depends on the market value of the company. In technical terms, we call it market capitalization or market cap. Well, there are innumerable ways to measure the size of a company. The best ones are the free float market capitalization and the total market capitalization method. Well, Indian stock markets use the free float market capitalization method to arrive at the value of the index. But really, how much difference does this method make in valuing the size of a company? Let's find out all about market capitalization in this video. Market capitalization or market cap. It cites the total market value of a company's shares held by the shareholders and investors. This is commonly referred to as market cap. Well, looking into the calculations, it is done by multiplying the total number of outstanding shares of a company by the current market price of a share. Market capitalization is considered to be one of the most effective ways of evaluating the value of a company. Essentially, it is defined by the total market value of the shares of a company held by the shareholders and investors. This simple fact also means that publicly owned companies are the only ones that can be evaluated by this method of evaluation. So now let us look at how market cap is actually calculated. Market capitalization formula. It is the average market value of a company. It is measured on the current market price of the share with respect to the number of outstanding shares held by the investors of the company. Let us understand how to calculate market capitalization with an example. Suppose Chaitanya Mart has 1 lakh outstanding shares at the price of 300 rupees per share. Now, market capitalization is outstanding shares into current market price of the share Chaitanya Mart has. So, market cap is 1 lakh into 300, which is calculated to be 3 crore rupees. Well, companies can be classified based on market capitalization, which is the total shareholding of a company. Large cap stocks, companies which have a market capitalization of more than 20,000 crore rupees. Mid cap stocks are companies which have a market capitalization between 5,000 crore and 20,000 crore, and small cap stocks are below 5,000 crore rupees. There is another method of calculating market cap of a company. Listen closely to understand this better. Free float market capitalization. So in this method, the market cap is calculated by considering the closing price of the share and multiplying it by the number of shares available in the market to be traded. However, in this free float market capitalization method, the valuation of a company relies only on the outstanding shares held publicly. This share number is then multiplied by the price for each share. So, in this entire calculation, privately owned shares are excluded. Therefore, shares owned by trusts, government bodies and promoters are ignored. This also indicates that the value of a free float market capitalization would always be lower than the company's actual market capitalization value. Free float market capitalization is also known as float adjusted capitalization. To help you understand this, let us consider an example. Suppose a company issues 1 lakh shares at 20 rupees each. But 40,000 shares are owned by the promoter. Then the free float market capitalization would be 1 lakh minus 40,000 into 20, which is 60,000 into 20 rupees, 12 lakh rupees. Moving on, to give you some practical examples, we have listed the top 10 companies in India based on their market capitalization. Highest market capitalization companies: Reliance Industries Limited, Tata Consultancy Services Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, Infosys Limited, Hindustan Unilever Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, Life Insurance Corporation of India, State Bank of India, Housing Development Finance Corporation and Bharti Airtel. Well, that was it in today's video. I hope you understood a lot about market capitalization and some of the companies which have the highest market capitalization in India. I will see you with one such amazing topic to share with you. Till then, you have an amazing time. Bye-bye.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.